Oh man, cannot wait to get through the lands between. Ooh, Elden Ring. Oh, wait, what? Out of storage already? Who am I gonna uninstall? Spider-Man? God of War? It Takes Two? How about none of them? Today we'll discuss the best ways to upgrade storage on your gaming console so that you don't have to uninstall your faves to make room for new games. This is DIY in 5. Hey everyone, welcome to DIY in 5. I'm Trisha Hirschberger, and today we are going to talk about upgrading storage for your or a loved one's gaming console. Whether it's Nintendo, Xbox, or PlayStation, at some point the limited internal storage that comes with your console just won't cut it anymore. As games get more and more complex, more storage is required to support those big dynamic worlds. Not to mention store screen grabs, downloaded apps, etc. And when you're ready to add more storage, you may be unsure what type of memory is best for your needs. So let's dig in. If you find the tips in today's video useful, please feel free to like, subscribe, and ding that bell so that you don't miss out on any future tech tips. Depending on which console you're looking to add memory to, you'll have a few considerations to keep in mind. How much storage to add will largely depend on your budget and what type of games you want to play. While 1 terabyte used to be a huge amount of storage, if you play AAA large open world games, that can go surprisingly fast. Capacities from 128 gigabytes to 2 terabytes can be found for most consoles and will get more expensive the more storage you're looking to nab. What type of storage should also be considered. Different consoles may require different speeds of storage, or at the very least give you a considerably better experience when using the recommended speeds. Format will be important as well. Will you need a micro SD card, SSD, HDD, or something else? And finally, make sure that whatever you get, you've done your research on how to add it to your system seamlessly. Is the storage an external solution, or will you need to install it inside the console? Let's start with PlayStation, since that was the example I gave a bit earlier on. The PS5 comes with an 875 gigabyte SSD, which leaves about 667.2 gigabytes available for use after necessary system software. In September 2021, Sony added the ability to install your own internal SSD to your PS5, allowing games to be played directly off the new storage as long as it meets Sony-specific requirements, namely that it's a PCIe Gen 4.0 M.2 NVMe SSD. Sony has a website outlining their specific M.2 requirements that you can peruse before purchasing. Kingston's Fury Renegade PCIe 4.0 NVMe M.2 SSD works with PS5 and comes in capacities up to 4 terabytes. If you're looking for the extra speed and seamless integration that an internal drive can provide on the PS4, then check out the KC600 2.5-inch SSD linked in the description. While internal drives offer superior speeds and a seamless integration, external drives can be a great solution too, especially if you feel more comfortable not opening up your console. While the PS5 will now allow you to store your games on an external drive, you will have to move PS5 games to the internal drive if you want to play them, because they were designed with super fast storage in mind. PS4 games can be played off an external drive, so that may help you plan your storage allocation should you go that route. As far as external drives go, Kingston's Data Traveler Kyson USB flash drive is a simple solution to store PS4 games, and the Data Traveler Max USB flash drive with USB Type-C can be used for storing PS5 games. For the Xbox fans, USB flash drives and external SSDs are a great solution for you as well. The Xbox Series X and S will both work with the Kingston XS2000 external SSD for storing games. Similar to how it works with PlayStation, since both latest-gen consoles require super fast SSD speeds and were designed with that in mind. And for the Nintendo fans, the Switch, Switch Lite, and Switch OLED models all make it super simple with a micro SD card slot. You can use either a micro SD XC or a micro SD HC memory card and easily decide which games are stored where via your settings. Kingston's Canvas Go Plus micro SD is a great solution for the Nintendo Switch and comes in capacities from 64 gigabytes to 512 gigabytes. For the Switch, remember that if you buy the game cartridge, you aren't actually installing the full game to the internal storage. But if you buy the digital download from the store, say you're really into Nintendo indies or just don't like carrying cartridges with you, you may want to invest in a bit more space. Whether it's Breath of the Wild, Horizon Forbidden West, or Halo Infinite that gets you going, having enough space for all your adventures is a welcome upgrade. Let us know in the comments what you've been playing lately, and I'll see you next time with more DIY in 5.